Hello guys, welcome back to the video. I haven't been recording for a while. I was kind of done with this game, but I decided I was gonna come back today. As you guys see though, I apologize, I'm super rusty. You guys saw my record. Don't talk about that, please. But I haven't played this game in a really long time, so I mean I wouldn't say it. I'll say like a medium amount of time. Cause I've been playing only for like a few months. So I apologize if I'm like not very good, or like not as good as I used to, because I'm definitely not gonna be. So I just hope you guys just don't mind that. And yeah, I kind of messed up already. Why am I so bad? See, you guys can already tell how bad I am just watching this. Okay. Please don't die yet. Thank you. Please stop sending to you, bro. I'd greatly appreciate that if you didn't send me all this bullshit. Okay. Guys, I'm literally gonna die on this fucking round.
Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly grows.
Okay, yep, I kinda knew you were gonna send that. Please stop, I would very greatly appreciate that. Come on, I can get attack spray, there we go. Now I can just work on farming. Okay. Oh wait, hold on. I just realized how bad his placement is. Yeah, this is gonna be a hell of a lot of damage. Huh, that's what you get for rushing me, you piece of shit. Yeah, bro, I dare you. Get burn yourself. Hell no, that's not gonna do shit. I'm just gonna drain the hell out of him. So, until he stops sending this bullshit. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, this is even better. Perfect round. Okay, I'm probably gonna stop sending. Shall I keep pressuring? It's doing damage. Wait, that's actually GG. Well, thanks for watching, guys. It's a short video, but I'm coming back, boys. I'm not gonna upload very often, but I'm coming back. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace out.